Hello, in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to use Grabcad since it's probably relatively new to you. Unfortunately, it will be closing down June 1st, 2023, so you guys won't be using it um, that much, but for now, I'll show you guys how to get started with it. So when you log into Grabcad, you'll probably be uh, logged into this page. To get out of this page and into the workbench, you just go under this drop down, click workbench, and this is basically where all of your files and projects are going to be stored. So you're going to have a personal one, and then you're going to have this Ryerson Rams Robotics one, which is the team one that we share with you. Um, Stick to just like the teams for now. Depending on what team you're on, you should only have one or two. So team A and B will have your C23 and possibly Circ 20 depending on what project you're on. And then team C just has team C. So I'll be showing you how to delete, upload, and work with files on Grabcad. So on the actual browser, you could actually look at every single file. Sometimes you could actually look at the model. So in this case here, I could look at the model on my browser. It's pretty useful if you can't open up SolidWorks on your current device. But not all files will open up. If there's like an error in the part, it will not open. So in this case here, there's probably like some small error causing this not to open, whereas this opens perfectly fine because they made it everything correct. So first thing I would recommend doing is downloading the desktop app. If you didn't want it and like you don't have too much space on your computer, you can constantly upload a file just by clicking upload files or folder, and it could upload the entire like folder or multiple files. Um, this way is pretty tedious. My opinion, I would download the desktop app. Once you download it, it will require you to log in. So I'm already logged into mine. And then when you log in, you have to connect your projects. There should be a button here that says like connect projects, and if there's not, you can go to manually connect projects, and it'll open up a window similar to this. You can look at all the accounts you're connected to. In this case, ours is Ryerson Rams Robotics, and then you would click link to folder. So click link to folder, and then you could assign a specific folder to the GrabCAD project. So I'm gonna make a folder right now for Team C since I don't already have it. Um, so yeah, make that folder, click OK, and then it's going to connect that folder to the project and automatically download everything. So this is why I said if you don't have too much storage, it might not be the best option because you do have to download all of these files. Um, and then from there, you could click on open folder to open that specific folder, which is this here, and it's the exact same thing as what it is here. So I can look at all of these folders in my own Windows file explorer. And the reason why we use GrabCAD is because it could automatically, well, it's easier to upload parts, assemblies, like files in general, and it continues to update them. So I don't have the new update on this computer, so I can't open any of these parts. But if I were to make a new part here, so let me just open up my SolidWorks and show this. All right, so if I made a new part, or I'm working on a current part, I'll show you that in a second. But I'll make a new part first. I'm just gonna make something quick. Right? And then I want to save this part. You could search through your folders to find like the assigned folder for the project. You can make a new folder, so I'll just make one for now. Um, and then I'm gonna save it here. All right, and so if you look into the folder, it's under Jack's test. If you go on Grabcad though, it's not here. To do that, open up the Grabcad Workbench app, and now you'll see this left side there says that we could upload a file, and you would just click on Upload Selected, and it will automatically upload onto Grabcad. So if you see that there, now it's uploaded, and it's uploaded as version 1. So that means it's the first iteration. So if I were to continue working on this part and made updates to it, right, I could save it again. And when I save it again, it will show up again into the GrabCAD workbench. You could re-upload this. And when you go back into GrabCAD, now it's V2. So if I were to try opening this up, I'm not sure if it will load, but you could actually go back and forth to the different versions, and it's very handy. So um, let's see, yeah, constantly update. If I want to restore this, I could click restore, and I have the version 1. And then on the actual GrabCAD app, it will, so any updates made to the entire GrabCAD, it will, and like anything that you don't have downloaded, it will be in this workbench button, and you could download this separately. Since I have this part open, it won't let me work on it, but you could re-download those updates from other people. So it lets you upload your updates and lets you download other people's updates. And this is how we've been working with each other on different CADs. Obviously, you can't work on the same part, but you could work on the same assembly together, which is very handy.